There are so many videos about how AI is changing cold email right now, and almost every one of them is misleading or just completely wrong. At my cold email agency, RichFlow, we run campaigns for over 40 B2B clients. And I've tested pretty much every AI cold email approach people are recommending online. But most of them just don't get the replies they used to. So today I want to cut through all the bullshit and just show you how I'm currently using AI in my agency to send cold emails. This workflow has helped us generate over 8,000 B2B leads for all our clients without relying on the generic AI personalization that everybody is talking about right now. So with that said, let's get into it. These days, the most common way people are using AI in cold email is by giving it a name, a job title, and maybe a LinkedIn link. Then asking it to write a personalized opener. And yeah, it sounds like the right thing to do because you are using AI for something that used to take hours of your manual work. But every agency, every founder, and every company using cold email is doing the exact same thing with the exact same tools. So your prospect's inbox is full of openers that all sound the same, and they can spot AI copy within the first 5 words. I'm personally getting 5 to 10 of these cold emails personally every single day. The opener will reference a recent LinkedIn post or the city I'm in or some random detail about my company. Here's the thing, when the rest of the email has nothing to do with whatever the opener mentioned, the prospect can immediately tell the opener was AI generated. Once a prospect spots that, they don't reply. And most of the time, they don't even finish reading the email. Now I want to be clear because there is nothing wrong with AI personalization, even in the body of the email. The problem is just giving a name and a job title, which doesn't tell him anything specific about the person. So the email the AI writes will still be generic. So AI personalization absolutely works, but only once you've given it the right details. Now, the first step before you write a single word is building a list of the right people. Because a lot of the time, those generic emails are going to people who were never a good fit for the offer, and no opener can fix that. But when the people of your list are a good match for what you sell, the emails are relevant before you personalize anything. And the way I build that list is with a Smart Prospect, which is Smartlead's built-in lead database. It gives you over 300 million verified business profiles, so you are finding your leads right inside the platform without paying for a separate tool. You filter all the way down to exactly who you want to reach by job title, as you can see here, company size, industry, location. So the only people on your list are the ones who actually fit. And because every profile comes already verified, you are not wasting cents on dead email addresses, which keeps your bounce rate low and protects your deliverability. By the way, if you want to give a Smartlead a try yourself, I'll leave a link at the top of the description. Anyway, with a list like that, the AI is writing to a clearly defined person. If your whole list is founders of small marketing agencies, the AI can write AI openers around the exact problems a small agency founder runs into, and it gets replies because it's true to every person on that list. That's what makes AI personalization work, because you've got the right people on your list before writing anything, as I said before. The other place AI is best when it comes for cold email is everything that happens after the replies start coming in. Most agencies and sales teams stop using AI once the campaign goes out. But the thing is, every reply that comes in should be prioritized and either route to a follow-up follow-up or send to your CRM, which AI can literally handle this for you in seconds. The first thing AI does after a reply comes in is categorize each one as a positive reply, a negative reply, an out-of-office reply, and so on. In a Smartlead, this happens automatically in the master inbox, which is where every reply across all of your sending accounts shows up in one place. So instead of going through hundreds of replies manually to figure out which ones are worth following up on, the AI tags every reply with what it is, and you can go straight to the positives. From there, AI handles routing each reply to the right next step, depending on what kind of reply it is, of course. For positive replies, the AI can draft a response for you, schedule a follow-up, or send the lead straight to your CRM as a sales opportunity. For out-of-office replies, the AI can reschedule the next email in the sequence to send after the prospect is back from being out. Then for negative replies, the AI removes the prospect from the campaigns so they stop getting follow-ups they don't want. And once the basic reply categorization is running, you can set up the AI agents to handle specific scenarios automatically. In Smartlead, these are called smart agents, and they can be built to run pretty much any workflow you can describe in plain language. For example, you can set up an agent that alerts you in Slack every single time a positive reply comes in from a high priority account, so you can reply within minutes. Or you could build an agent that sends every interested lead straight to Airtable with the prospect's name, company, and a summary of what they said, so your sales team can take the conversation from there. From what we see at my agency, Richflow, all of this AI work happening after the campaign goes out can save you anywhere from a few hours to a full work day every single week. You get the lead database, the AI personalization, the sending infrastructure, and the reply management without paying for or managing 4 different tools. So the only thing left for you to focus on is your offer and the strategy behind it. So again, you can get started with Smartlead for free, clicking the first link in the description. And if you want to see what happened when I tried to send 10,000 cold emails using this exact system, then check out this video next.